So guys, it's Christmas and we're enjoying it. Today is Christmas, 25th of December. My name is Mini Bahati and we are enjoying ourselves at Lake Naivasha Resort. I got hurt. Merry Christmas. Christmas. My name is Heaven Wendo Bahati and this is my sister Malaika. So I'm having fun at Lake Naivasha. We are bonding with our family, so much more, and I can't wait for this one. That's why I'm wearing a dress. Bye.